Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in today's vlog, we're going to be doing a Florida vacation / hurricane evacuation vlog. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all the resort that we're in, the whole entire tour of it, and then I'm going to be showing y'all all of the attractions and theme parks that we decided to go to while we're here. So yeah, we're just here for 4 days though, so yeah, let's get into that video. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of the Florida evacuation vacation vlog. So as y'all know, if you didn't see in my last vlog, today was also my first day of school. So yeah, if you didn't see it, I will have the link to that last video in my description. So yeah, with that being said, we didn't really do anything. It's already about the middle of the day now. It's almost 4 or 5 o'clock. So yeah, all we're gonna pretty much do today, since we had school, was to just go to the pool, do some stuff around the resort, and we're gonna go out to eat. But yeah, that's just really it, since we already wasted pretty much the whole day. So yeah, and then a lot of the parks, they're all closing early still because of coronas. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get to the parks. The park that we're looking at getting into is Magic Kingdom. We already have tickets, annual lifetime tickets for Disney, but we have to reserve the day that we want to go. And the only problem with that is that our passes that we have aren't like compatible with the app itself, so we have to call them so we can reserve our spots for tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how all of that goes for tomorrow's part of the video. So yeah, the front of the resort that we're at. We about to go swimming. So yeah. This is the little game room and workout room that they have. And they got a lake and all of the other buildings. And this is the pool area and the bar. They have another pool on this side and another bar, but that one's closed. And the hot tub. Okay guys, so today is day 3 of the Florida vacation / evacuation vlog. So, and for today we're going to Hollywood Studios. Our classes were canceled again at LSU today. So, yeah, I didn't have to do any work. So yeah, I'll get some footage at the theme park for you guys. And I'll add some clips about the news. I'll put some news footage about the hurricanes as well and the vlog. So, yeah.
Hurricane now moving northwest at 16 miles per hour. It is expected to become a Category 4 hurricane this afternoon, and then it will be nearing landfall later tonight. At that time, some interaction with land and some wind shear may level off the intensity, but an extremely dangerous storm. Here you see the storm surge potential, and the National Hurricane Center calling this storm surge in southwest Louisiana in particular unsurvivable. Unsurvivable is the language that they are using to describe this surge, which may penetrate as far as 30 miles, 40 miles inland.
So now we're at Hollywood Studios. Let me show y'all. This is the entrance over here. And then over there they have gondolas. We try behind your ear really quick. This thing is giving me a very hard time. Hang on 1 second. Let me try this side. Alright, so you are a little bit warm, so we're going to have to go take you to the recheck tent real quick so you can cool down. And alright. So for all of you guys to come together. Yeah, you better see off. Yeah. But honestly, at this time of day, it is so normal. So yeah, my temperature was a little high, so we had to go inside the tent.
Man, I knew there was something wrong about you, Samir.
Those are the tents back though. There, we had to go sit in until my temperature went down. It's just very hot out here, y'all. So, anyways, we're about to enter now.
Thank you, have fun.
What, babe?
Oh.
So afraid of the storm.
It's got the Millennium Falcon. You should know this. It's a big ship. They do role play, do shows and stuff. So a crowd around and they watch them come out the ship and mess around. It's awesome. Yes, you can. I realized that. I'm like, I realized the part.
I'll shoot the guns.
You go down, I go up.
Junior.
Figure it out. Pay attention when I'm in.
Bro, Dad about to trip. I'm weak.
She got you all on camera.
Get on Rock and Roller Coaster.
Why you say that? Y'all thought this way.
Yeah, why ain't phone time whenever?
Okay, Junior, how many times you gonna say it?
You are the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Give me your hand.
Oh Lord, today. They could at least drop their fast.
That's cool. You can see everything. That's so cool.
You never get to see none of that
I know.
because
For
you
real.
go so fast. Like, why even put decorations on nothing? Like, you don't see that.
No, you do see it.
Now we looking at
That's
ourselves.
a screen. No, you were looking at it.
Now what?
Now it's over. Screen was looking up on the internet. I saw it from the
Man, this thing
movie?
shoots up on the
Wait, we ain't start from the beginning.
Huh?
He said we start from the beginning.
better.
Screen would have the people.
It better not be a restart. Make us move back to the hall.
No, because
Wait,
yeah, we went
the
through
whole
the hall
time?
and everything.
Oh, I thought we went to a hall. We don't go to the hall at all.
No, we go through the hall and See, look.
Oh,
Man, we starting over?
Or is that no good? No. This is so good up. Now you can see everything in here. Look, it's a dog here.
what the heck?
Floppy,
Yeah, it's floppy.
We actually get some air.
Yeah, I mean,
Maybe they gonna start the ride
I know
over.
you can turn around like
they're
this.
moving to the other side.
Wait, is this how to restart the ride?
We in the
For real? What?
We in a workshop?
Oh, we're gonna be. Oh, we're going to the worst spot for it,
Wait, this is it right there.
Alright guys, so I forgot to make my ending for the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm back in Louisiana now, in my apartment. Luckily, the hurricanes didn't hit Baton Rouge bad. It was just mainly Lake Charles and all of the surrounding cities there that was hit bad. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.